Right now, let's change our bullets to have some actual bullets, instead of the uncircle instead of sphere that we have. And since we already have the bullets in the FBXL guns, let's use this one, or yeah, I would think let's use this one. So let's drag and drop it in the scene. Let's see how it looks like. First of all, I will unpack this bullet. So right-click free for bumper complete. Okay, we should change rotation on the X to be 90. To rotate it correctly, the problem is that right now, we want bullet to have forward direction on the Z-axis. But the blue arrow was, you see, in the bullet is going down, because it's set like this. But it's okay, what we can do. We can just create empty game object and let's create. Let's call this one new bullets. And well, this new bullet, as you see, will have correct MOX, Y and Z, so correct forward movements. Then we will drag these bullets into this new bullet mount. Game object. And I will change position of the bullet to be 0, 0, 0 on the all of the axis. So that's new bullet. And bullet will have same directions. Okay, and same position, alright. Next step will be to add some collider to the bullet. So let's select bullet, let's add components. And let's find the mesh collider in the search box. Let's heat the convex to activate our collider. And as you see, we have this mesh collider, which has the colliders. And well, now let's select bullets. And let's get it components. We want to wear the rigid body, just like we did with the player bullet. We will freeze rotation on the X, Y, and Z, and also we will uncheck this use gravity. We need this gravity. Also, we will add bullet script. So into this new bullet, so let's heat add component. And let's find bullets script. And let's make bullets B to be 12. Just like we had with the player bullet. And that's pretty much it. Now we can create prefab out of this new bullet. So let's drag and drop these new bullets here. Now we have new bullet as a prefab. And now only thing that is left is to actually change the bullets that's our player shoots. So let's go in the player. And let's scroll down in the player shooting script. And here we have this bullet field. And I will drag new bullets right here, instead of this player bullet. And now let's delete this new bullet from the scene, because we don't need this anymore. Let's save the scene and now let's heat play. Let's test if new bullets are working correctly. And yeah, now we have new bullets, which are our actual bullets. And not just these spheres, so they look fine. Obviously, you can leave these sphere, or you can create some material to this sphere change call. If you like, but I think I will use the sexual bullets. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.